It's a little easier than the Roblox one for me. But it's made by the same company. Fend off the ogres. You have a new sword with a method cleave. Okay. And a new watch with the method is ready. Cleave. Am I saying this right? Is it clave or cleave? Cleave is a special attack that hits all nearby enemies, but it can only be used ever so often. Before you cleave, check if it's ready. So we're gonna see if the hero is ready to cleave. Then we're gonna cleave the enemy, else we're gonna attack the enemy. But I just want to know, first of all, am I saying that word right? Because I've never used cleave before. Okay, so alright, so we first and foremost, we had to make sure that we define the enemy. So we're gonna look for it, you know. If it's ready, then hero. Leave the enemy. Else, if it's not ready, then it's just hero. Oof, gosh. Attack. Excuse me. So this allows us to use this new attack, special attack. And if we can't use it, we can still attack the enemy. Oh! Oh my, oh. The dog fighting too. And we're done. Victory.